Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Fani Arab, NPM 2441160. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang materi batas ilmu ekonomi mikro. Introduction to Microeconomic Boundaries. Microeconomic is a branch of economy that focuses on the behavior of individual economic agents, such as consumers, producers, and households. It examines how these agents make decisions, how they interact with each other, and how their actions collectively determine the election of scarce resources within an economy. Understanding the boundaries and limitation of microeconomic analysis is crucial for making informed decisions and formulating effective economic policies. Defining microeconomics and its scope. Microeconomic focus. Microeconomics concentrates on the decision-making process of individual economic agents, such as consumers, firms, and resource owners. It examines how these agents respond to change in price, in commerce, and other factors that influence their choice. Scope of microeconomics. The scope of microeconomics includes the study of supply and demand, market equilibrium, consumer behavior, producer decision making, resource allocation, and the impact of government policy on individual economic agents. Limitation of microeconomics. Will microeconomic profit value insights into individual decision making? It has limitation in addressing broader economic issues, such as the overall level of employment, inflation, and economic growth, which are the focus of macroeconomic. Assumption and limitation of microeconomic analysis. Rationality assumption. 1. Rationality assumption. Microeconomic often assumes that economies are agents, such as consumers and producers, behave rationally and make decisions to maximize their utility or profits. However, in reality, human decision making can be influenced by various factors. 2. Perfect information assumption. Microeconomic model typical assumption that economic agents have perfect information about prices, product qualities, and market conditions. In reality, information is often incomplete or asymmetric, leading to different outcomes. 3. Equilibrium assumption. Microeconomic often focus on the analysis of market equilibrium, where supply and demand are balanced. However, in the real world, market might not always reach a stable equilibrium due to various market imperfection and dynamic factors. The role of price in microeconomic decision making. Price as a signal. In microeconomic, price play a crucial role as a signal, conveying information to both consumer and producers about the scarcity of resources and the relative value of goods and service. Price guide the decision of economic again. Price elasticity. The concept of price elasticity, which measures the responsiveness of demand of or supply to change in price, is contrary to microeconomic analysis. It helps predict the impact of price change on the variety of economic again. Demand and supply. Microeconomic analysis examines how change in the demand and supply of a good or service affect its market price. This understanding helps economic again make informed decisions about their consumption, production, and environment costs. Behavioral factor influencing microeconomic decision. Cognitive bias. Microeconomic decision can be influenced by various cognitive biases, such as an anchoring, framing, and loss aversion, which cause economic again to drift from to assumption of rational decision making. Social factor. Microeconomic decisions are often shaped by social factors such as cultural normal, peer influence, and perceived social status. These factors can lead to behaviors that differ from the prediction of traditional microeconomic model. Emotion and heuristics. Emotion, intuitions, and simplified decision making can also play a significant role in microeconomic decision, particularly in situations involving unsteady risk and complex information processing. Conclusion and key takeaway. In conclusion, microeconomic provides a valuable framework for understanding the decision-making process of individual economic agents, such as consumers and producers. However, it is important to recognize the limitations and assumptions inherent in microeconomic analysis, as real-world economic behavior is often influenced by various behavioral, social, and institutional factors. By understanding the boundaries and nuances of microeconomic, policymakers and economic again can make more informed and every step decision.
Baik, cukup sekian penjelasan dari saya, kurang lebih